Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to get iPhone like double and triple back tap features in Samsung smartphones running One UI. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see on the left side I have a iPhone smartphone and on the right side I have a Samsung smartphone. So firstly let me show you on my iPhone smartphone. Firstly just open the settings on your respective iPhone smartphone and now just click on this accessibility. Now just scroll down below. Now just click on this touch option. Now just scroll down below again. Now you can see at the bottom back tap, just click on it. Now you can see your double tap and triple tap option is available. So in order to get a similar double and triple back tap on your respective Samsung smartphone, what you need to do is just open the Galaxy Store and just search for one application name as GoodLock. On the first list you'll see the application. As I've already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So if this GoodLock is not available for your respective Samsung smartphones, then what you can do is just open the Play Store and just search for one application name as FindLock. On the first list you'll see the application. So you firstly download and install the either GoodLock or FindLock, whichever supports on your respective Samsung smartphones. And after that just open the GoodLock or FindLock. And now just click on this plugins option, and now you need to download and install this one plugin named as Register. So I've already downloaded and installed it too, so I'm not going to do it again. So you firstly download and install it, and after that just open this Register. Now you can see your back tap action, just click on it. Now just turn it on. Now you can see here double tap and triple tap, so you can click on it and you can select different actions to perform. When you double back tap, you can select different options like screenshots, show notifications, open applications, show recent apps, whatever you want to select. And similarly for the triple tap, you can just click on it and you can select different options from here. So let me select this show notification. So finally I have select our respective actions to perform for double tap as well as for triple tap. So by using this cool tricks, you can easily get iPhone like double and triple back tap features in Samsung smartphones running One UI very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.